Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to turn profile view history on or off. To turn profile view history on or off, open your TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. One thing you need to know that you can turn your profile view history on or off in your privacy setting or on your profile view page. Turning off profile view history means you will not be able to see who has visited your profile and others would not be able to see that you have visited theirs too. To turn profile view history on or off, from your TikTok profile, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right to go to your settings. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy. Then scroll down. At the bottom you will find Profile Views. Tap the toggle icon next to the profile view history to turn on or off. Here, one thing you need to know that the setting is off by default. If you want to turn this on, turn the toggle on. To turn profile view history on or off from your profile view page in your TikTok app, tap Inbox at the bottom. Tap the notification that someone has viewed your profile. On your profile view page, tap the settings icon at the top right. Tap the toggle icon next to the profile view history to turn on or off. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.